Now that you know the best stocks to buy, let's talk about how to invest in them. In this video, I'll show you a step-by-step guide on buying your first stock, even if you've never invested before. Stay till the end because I'll also share the biggest mistakes beginners make and how to avoid them. Step 1. Choose a stockbroker. First, you'll need a stock brokerage account to buy and sell stocks. Here are the best platforms for beginners. Robinhood, easy to use, no commission fees, USA. Webull, great for research tools and paper trading. eToro, best for beginners and copy trading. Fidelity/Vanguard, best for long-term investing. Sign up for one of these platforms using the link below to get a free stock when you start. Step 2. Fund your account. Once you have a broker, you need to fund your account. You can deposit money via bank transfer, credit/debit card, or even crypto in some cases. Step 3. Pick a stock and do research. Before buying a stock, do some basic research. Here's what to check. Key things to look for: company earnings and revenue. Check Yahoo Finance. Stock chart trends. Is it growing over time? Dividend payments, passive income potential, future growth potential. Is the company innovative? Step 4. Place your first trade. Now it's time to buy your first stock. You can place a market order, buy instantly, or a limit order, buy at a specific price. Step 5. Hold, monitor, and build your portfolio. Investing is not about buying and selling every day. Successful investors hold quality stocks for years and reinvest their profits. Beginner portfolio strategy. 50% in big companies: Apple, Microsoft, Tesla, Nvidia. 30% in ETFs: S&P 500, QQQ, ARKK. 20% in growth stocks: AI, EV, crypto stocks. Common beginner mistakes to avoid. Before we wrap up, here are the biggest mistakes beginners make when investing. Panic selling. Don't sell just because the stock drops in a day. Buying meme stocks. Avoid hype stocks with no real value. Investing money you can't afford to lose. Always invest wisely. And that's it. Now you know how to invest in stocks as a beginner. Which broker are you using? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more investing tips, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for the next video.